So we know that this triangle number 5 is asking us what is the measurement of KML, but basically they want us to find out what is the measurement of angle KM. So we know if we look at this triangle is also an equilateral triangle, but it's also an equal angular triangle. So what that means is that this angle and this angle and this angle are the same. In order to be the same, they all have to equal 60 degrees. So for measurement of angle M right here, for this section, it will be 60 degrees. Now let's go on for move number 6. So they're trying to give, they're asking us right here is to find angle M. What is the angle M on this triangle over here? Alright, now let's focus on this one over here. So let's focus on HMG. So right here, they already told us that this side is 50. So now if I do a semicircle over here, that equals 180, right? So now we have to add 60 plus 50 plus measurement of angle HMG is equal to 180. Now we do add like terms. So we add 50 and 60, that equals 110, plus measurement of angle HMG, that equals 180. We subtract 110 to both sides. This cancels out. Measurement of angle HMG is equal to 70 degrees. So this angle over here is going to be 70 degrees. So our answer over here is 70 degrees. Okay, let's now look at this. So measurement of GHM. So they're trying us to identify what measurement is this one, angle H. So we're gonna focus on this triangle, HMG. So if I look at this triangle, I can see that this side of the triangle is equal to this side of the triangle. So this is an isosceles triangle. So what that means, and the theorem that we learned today of isosceles triangle theorem, is that if two sides are congruent, the opposite angles are congruent as well. So we already know that this angle over here is 70 degrees. Now we know that this angle over here is 70 degrees. And based on the day 1 that we learned that angle interior sum theorem, is that we have to add all the angles, that equals 180. So measurement of angle BM plus measurement of angle G plus measurement of angle GH is equal to 180 degrees. So now if we substitute our numbers, measurement of angle M, it's 70. Measurement of angle G, it's 70. Plus measurement of angle H, that we still don't know, equals 180 degrees. We add like terms, that equals 70 plus 70 equals 140. Plus measurement of angle H is equal to 180. Now we subtract 140 to both sides. They cancel out. So measurement of angle H, 180 subtracted 140 is equal to 40 degrees. So H over here, this angle over here will be 40 degrees over here. Okay, now we're gonna move on to question number 8. So take note of how I do this. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippis, 3 Mississippis, 4 Mississippis, 5 Mississippis, and I'm gonna erase. Now we're gonna move on to question number 8. So question number 8 is, if measurement angle HJM is equal to 145 degrees, find measurement angle MHJ. Okay, nice. So now it's telling me to focus on this triangle over here, but it also tells us that they want us to find measurement of angle H. So now I'm going to look at this triangle HJM. So when I see this triangle, I know that this is an obtuse triangle. Why? Because they already told me that angle J is 45 degrees. And based on the converse theorem and the triangle isosceles theorem that we learned today, we know that the opposite angles over here are going to be congruent. So this angle over here is congruent to this angle over here. Now, we need to do the interior angle sum theorem. So we know that measurement of angle J plus measurement of angle H plus measurement of angle M is equal to 180 degrees. Now we substitute for the knowns we know. So J is 145 degrees plus measurement of angle H that we don't know, but we can substitute it with a variable that is going to be X. And also for measurement of angle M, so we don't know, it's unknown. So we're going to use the same variable. So plus X is equal to 180. We collect like terms. 2x plus 145 is equal to 180. Now we want to solve x and leave x by itself. We subtract 145 to both sides. They cancel. 2x is equal to 35. And our last step will be divide by 2 both sides because you want to leave the variable by itself. And then when you divide, x is equal to 17.5. And I'm going to show my work here. So we have 35 divided into 2. So 2 goes into 3 times 1 time. It's 1. We bring down the 5. 2 goes into 15 7 times. And we have a remaining 1. Put a decimal, add a 0. Bring down the decimal. 2 times what will give me 10? 5. And we bring our decimal up over here. And then 2 times 5 is 10. So our answer is 17.5.